Energy production, solar and wind farm management. We support energy suppliers and network operators in facing the challenges of the energy transition. Our application is not just in the pure generation of electricity. We also supply system solutions when it comes to storing energy. Our components control and regulate the remotely generated energy and offer solutions for the implementation of virtual power stations that meet the demands of a modern power supply network. The changeover to renewable energy places tremendous challenges on industry. We make our contribution here.